Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Confirm the controller has batteries or a charge and stand close to the console for a stable connection. Once ready, press and hold the Xbox button on the center of the controller for about 6 seconds. This long press forces the controller to power down and stops the LED and vibrations. Make sure not to release too early. Holding through the full interval is why this works. If you feel the rumble stop and the light goes out, the controller is off. If the long press method doesn't suit you, use the console's software route. Press the guide button, go to Profile and System, then Settings and Devices and Connections. Open Xbox Accessories, select the controller and choose the turn-off option. This tells the console to command the controller to sleep. Alternatively, physically removing the AA batteries or unplugging a rechargeable pack immediately cuts power. Make sure the controller is stable when you do that to avoid damage. These options explain both how and why each path works. Complete the shutdown by checking the ring or Xbox button light is off and there's no vibration. That tells you the controller is truly powered down. If it won't turn off reliably, make sure firmware is current through the Xbox Accessories app, because old firmware can prevent proper sleep behavior. As a last resort troubleshooting tip, remove the batteries, wait 10 seconds, then reinsert or reconnect and reboot the console. This power cycle clears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.